Okay, we are now on the review page. So we're going to be answering several questions about the article that we just read about. So question one asks, what is the paper about? So did we read about amazing young athletes, March Madness, or 2020 census? So if you're unsure about the answer to this question, you can refer back to your article and look at the title. Or you can look at our vocabulary words that we learned today and see which picture looks familiar. Parents and families, if you're helping the student with this assignment, you can please pause this video whenever you need to help the student answer the question. I'll wait a little bit and then I will help answer each question. Okay, so your answer, hopefully that you've gotten, would have been 2020 census.
2020 census.
Because that is what we read about. Okay, let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, who does the census? So who does the census? Is it the National Weather Service, the National Park Service, or the Census Bureau? So who is the one that counts all the people in the United States? Once again, I'll give you guys a moment if you want to pause the video and to answer the question. Okay, the answer is Census Bureau.
Census Bureau.
They are the people that count the people in the United States. Let's do question number 3. This one asks, where will the census count every person? Is it in the United States? Is it in space? Or is it in the ocean? So once again, please feel free to pause the video as you guys discuss the answer. And yeah. Okay. The answer is
U.S.
U.S. Other countries have their own census, but we in the United States count just the people in the United States. All right, question number 4. What does the Census Bureau gather? So do they gather information, recipes, or flowers? So once again, if you need help with this question, please refer back to the article. I will give you a moment to pause. The answer is information. The Census Bureau gathers all types of information, such as how many people live in your home, how old are the people that live in your home, who are they, maybe what their occupation is, like what kind of job they have, all of that kind of information. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. We're gonna skip on to question number 5. So, number 5 asks, what counts every person living in the US? So what counts all these people? Is it a calculator? Is it the census? Or is it a map? So once again, refer back to your article if you have trouble with this. Okay, and hopefully you paused, and if not, you can pause the video now before I give the answer. So the answer to this question is
census.
Census. The census counts every person living in the US, and different people work for the census. And so they can gather your information online. They might send you something in the mail asking you questions about the people living in your household, or someone might just come to your front door and ask you questions about how many people live there, how old everyone is, etc. Okay, let's do the last question. This question number 6. It asks, what does the census want to know about each person? Is it their favorite color? Is it their birthday or their height? So this one, I'm just going to actually answer for you because we didn't actually go through this in the reading that I just did, that you guys just followed. So the census usually will ask people about their birthdays.
Birthday.
And that's because their birthday lets the census know how old everyone is, whether they go to school, whether they what job they might have. So that the birthday gives up a lot of information about a person. So that's what they're most interested in. All right, so thank you. You guys just answered 6 questions from the review, and that is it for today. So tomorrow on Tuesday, we will go over the reading again, and we'll go over the other assignments that you'll be working on.